Hi, what up guys, it's Wills here. Now a web link helps to share link to outside web page or within your own web page. Now to create a link, use this tag. It's on the HTML already. So after this tutorial now, uses the domain name service of the link of the website. So here I'm linking my website to Google. So I'm going to type http://www.google.com. Now google.com is the domain name service of that website. So when I type google.com, so when I finish my website, Google, so it's going to show Google with the underline to show it's a link. Yeah, links are underlined. So when I click on it, it takes me directly to Google. So that is how you link your website to other websites. Now we have relative URL. Now this create link within your own web page. You just need the name of that same file in the same page. So here we won't be using the domain name service, just the hashtag, then the name of that file, the hashtag, then the name of that file. And on the same web page there will be another file. Let's now I'll try to create some space, like a white space to differentiate them. So I'm gonna create a lot of white space now. So you might just want to sit back and watch. Now when you're done with that, I'm done with that. Now the next thing is to write root section. Now to link that tag to this place. Now what we do is now we will not use property attribute rather. Now we use a name. Now that name is the attribute name. So a name is what? So this will link this particular one to the first one we wrote. So this will link them to us. So the names have to be the same thing. So let's type a little bit of thing that I've typed out. So let's put a little bit of wordings there. So I just want to type fruits are very rich source of vitamin and other essence of life. So you must have done that also. Now when we refresh this on the website, let's go back up. Now when we refresh this on the website, now you see fruit as a link. So when you tap on that link, it should take you directly. No, there's a mistake. Now the F here is a capital letter, while the F below is a small letter. So in HTML, you should be careful of the sentence case. HTML is very sensitive, so let's check it to capital letter and see what happens. So let's save and refresh on the website. Now let me zoom it in for you to see. Now when you click on the fruit, take us what? To the section here. So that's how you link your website to another website. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click on the next video.